Hello guys, customer being this one iPhone 15 Plus is having the camera issue. If you see here, back camera is working but the front camera is not working. There could be two problems. One could be the camera is faulty, or the second one is maybe the flex is disconnected. So we will try one by one. First we need to remove that one back screws, and then we remove the back glass. So because this is not broken, so very carefully you can heat up the 350 to 400 and use the 5 temperature or airflow, or use the isopropyl. So let's do it. There is a clip, you have to just lift up like that way. There is a one clip, maybe another side here. That's it. Just to be careful. Now when you open this one, just to double check it, open should be like that way, because there is a flex, and that flex sometimes can get damaged if you put that little deeper any tool. Don't keep it on one place, it can be damaged. The one that back glass or sometimes the parts. Keep constantly moving. Here you go. There's a flex, that is very carefully. So what we need to do it, we need to remove these two screws. This one is the tool, you have to use it. First we need to remove the battery connector. As I always say to my all viewers, that it is very important, because unconsciously sometimes you're using that metal tool that can be damaged, or sometimes the short circuit, which is affect the backlight issue or some other problem as well. So very first go, you have to remove the battery connector. Here is the battery connector. So once you remove the battery connector, just to double check it. So mobile is off now. Now you can use the metal tool, does no matter. So this one is when you're removing, there is underneath is stuck, and there's a double-sided tape on underneath as well. So very carefully. we need to remove that rear camera first. They are the 1 2 3 4 5 or maybe a 6 screws we need to remove, and then after that then these 2 screws, then your front camera will become off. Let's do it. Now the camera is come off easily. Now we will change with the new brand new camera. Before we close completely, we will test the camera first. If it is working fine, that's great. If it is not, then maybe something is else problem. Another thing is your face ID may stop working. Perfectly is working.